Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. In our today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser. Before I start the video, please subscribe the channel and give a like to the video. So let's start. So to make Microsoft Edge as your default browser, all you will have to do is go to your Microsoft Edge and then click the three dots, go to the settings. Here you can see default browser. Click here and here you can see make Microsoft Edge your default browser. So as Google Chrome is my default browser, this is showing here. If this is not a clickable option on your browser, it means now Microsoft Edge is your default browser. So as Google Chrome is my default browser now, this is a clickable link. So click make default to make Microsoft Edge your default browser. Okay, click here. Oh, nice. Here you can see Microsoft Edge is your default browser. So we have done. So if the video helps you, don't forget to give a like, do comment thanks, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment box, and please subscribe the channel.